Alright, so, I'm Blake, and this is the first ever bike check I've ever done on my own. I'll just, go ahead and start at the front, I guess. I have the SPUTNIC SKYLINE bars in 8.25. I like them because they're nice and wide, and, you know, they got that crossbar thing going on. I don't know, guess it makes it stronger or something. Got the CULTVANS grips and gum. Got them for Christmas about a month ago, and I'm not like everyone else that just wanted to get them. I wanted them since they first came out, and I figured I'd just honor Jimmy since he just passed away, or some shit like that. And bar ends, I got the ODYSSEY bar ends. I bought those separate, just wanted to try them out. My fork is the SHIV, the second version. It says right down there, SHIV 2. I don't know, it's pretty nice. I like the skinny legs. Think that looks pretty sexy. Down here I got my front wheel is the ODYSSEY VANDERO 2, laced up to the Shadow Stun. Also got that for Christmas. And here I got the FAF regular tire, not the folding version. I like it. It's a really nice tire, has a great grip, good for threes and stuff like that, but it wears down too fast. And I don't know, it's a great tire for all around. Regular tubes, the Dan's 19 something shit. Spade valve caps, I've had those since I first started riding last year around this time. Moving forward, got the KINK SEXTON seat. I had it before Daryl did and wanted it before him, so yeah. Don't know if you can see it, but the green animal seat post, I don't know, I like it because it's green. I'm gonna get a green sprocket and green bar ends here pretty soon, probably both animal, I don't know. The Shadow crank and bones sprocket, I've had that for about a year. The Shadow V2 chain thing, I don't know, whatever it's called. The Mission Transit 3-piece cranks, I believe. I got them. I love them. They're nice and strong. Lasted me a long time. Just heavy. And I got the Premium Slims PC pedals. I love them. They're pretty nice. I don't know. That one doesn't spin too good. Oh yeah, the Shadow Alfred Light seat post clamp thing. I don't know. Whatever it's called. Oh yeah. My stem is the Mission CONVERGE front load. And my headset is the, don't know if I can, no, you can't really see it. It's the Mission internal or integrated, whatever the fuck I read, headset. And in the back we have a MAXXIS GRIFTER tire. I love it. It's the 2.1, perfect for me. It's so far lasts a long time. I don't know, I just got it and it still looks brand new. Like, I got it for Christmas. And the back wheel, I have the Mission, what is it? Mission React cassette. Probably about to hear yeah. It says down there Mission React. You can't really see it too well. But it's just the Mission React cassette hub, the 9-tooth driver, lace 2, the Mission cassette 34 or 36 hole, the ALIENATION black sheep. It says down there, you can see that. It says black sheep nice and bold. And my frame is the stock 2011, I believe. Yeah, 2011 KINK Liberty frame. I don't know, it's a frame. I like it because it's like really good for my threes I do. And yeah, you can see I got a pretty nifty bike stand right there. Does the job right, holds onto it good. I don't know, a lot of people like want to say like, let's hear the hubs, so this is that regular, like, just cruising around. and then kick it up a little. I love it. It's a nice deep clicking sound instead of just like the profile hubs where it goes like sounds annoying as hell. And yeah, that's my bike. That's my guitar. That's my bed. That's my lava lamp. That's my dresser. Thank you, and subscribe to us, Jeremy United 44. Find our channel on YouTube, or just click the little subscribe button on top of the screen. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.